Hey there, welcome back. Yesterday we created our very first flashcard and guess what? It's been promoted. Yup, it's now at level 1. This means part of it will still feel easy, but 30% of it just enough to keep you on your toes. So let's jump back into the Retain.ed app. A day has passed, meaning the card we created yesterday is due today. Perfect timing, right? Wait a second, how did we end up in light mode? This is not the vibe. Let me fix that real quick. I wonder what you prefer, light or dark mode. Comment that, I'd like to know. Alright, let's click open on the vocabulary deck to get started. By now, you know the drill. First, we read the term or the front part of the flashcard. Define laconic. Do you still remember the definition of laconic? Here's a fun challenge. Pause the video and comment below what you can recall. Go on. I'll wait. Okay, let's check if your memory is on point. The first option is already filled in for us. Between you and you. Well, you can't exactly get that wrong, can you? Press U for using. Then press V for very. So far, so good. But now, here's where it gets tricky. If you remember the rest of the definition, pause the video and comment the last 2 words before we continue. Or, if you're feeling a little foggy, go back and watch the first video for a quick refresher. Alright, back to business. The next word is few. We have 2 options, Z and F. Since few starts with the letter F, let's press the button with F. And now the final word, words. The options are W and Q. Let's test what happens if we press the wrong button, shall we? Oops, see that? Our score just dropped. And now we have to redo this card before we can move forward. Lesson learned. Let's give it another go. Here we go again. Press U for using, V for very. Between F and D, press F for few. And finally, between F and W, press W for words. And there you have it. Flashcard complete. This little challenge helps reinforce your memory while keeping things just difficult enough to keep you engaged. That's all for today. Tomorrow we'll tackle level 2, where things get even more exciting. Remember, the key to mastering this is consistency. And hey, if you've enjoyed learning with me so far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow for the next step in our journey. Until then, happy studying.